Okay, we're continuing our discussion on custom Ajax callbacks, and we're explaining now how it is that we knew that the syntax was this in order to initiate an Ajax callback using JavaScript. So let's just close this down, and let's go back to fields here and click on, say, this button over there, and then go into the Action JavaScript Builder. And now I'm going to just go here and right click and say View JavaScript, and this shows me the JavaScript behind this Ajax callback. So you can see here that the JavaScript that is necessary to actually initiate the callback is the Ajax callback method of the grid object. And in this case we're doing the Ajax callback, and we're doing a callback from the grid part as opposed to from, say, the detailed view part. Grid.row number is a placeholder for the current row in the grid that you're clicking on, and then low level delete is the name of the XBasic function that this Ajax callback will invoke, and then underbar get data equals true is set because when we edited this function we checked that box over there. You can see there's the low level delete. So all I did was right clicked over here, went to view the JavaScript, I copied that to the clipboard, and then I went back to my function declaration over here, and here I go ahead and I edited the function declaration. I go all the way down to my JavaScript response that the first XBasic function did, and I just simply pasted it in, and I replaced the function name with doDelete, which is the function that I wanted to call. So let's go ahead now and just sort of run it one final time to see what's happening. So I'm going to go there and press search. So now when I press the button, we call the first function, and that now sends a response back to the browser. Here is the JavaScript executing, so it's now prompting, and then when I press OK, another callback is initiated, and the record gets deleted. So that's a pretty in-depth discussion of how Ajax callbacks work, and how when you want to prompt for additional confirmation or additional input from the user during the callback, you have to actually break the callback into multiple callbacks by sending a JavaScript series of commands back to the client where you can do the prompt, and then based on the result of the prompt on the browser, initiate another Ajax callback. And so there's this constant back and forth between client side and server side. Anything that's done on the server side is done in XBasic. Anything that's done on the client side is done in JavaScript. Thank you very much. I hope you found that useful.